Dear aspiring adults, welcome to another episode of the Adult Pantry. This week, I want to share with you a secret I learned from a dear friend who was an accomplished hostess. She would celebrate her birthday 3 times every year. Now, isn't that just fabulous? One day, she showed me her freezer, and this was an eureka moment for me. Her freezer was stocked with delicious dishes she had prepared on days dedicated to cooking, and as a result, she was always prepared to whip up a lovely home-cooked dinner or luncheon, even when she didn't have time or felt like cooking. Now, I like to think that I may have perfected this marvelous housewife secret to adapt to the demands of my life. My trick is I found these lovely glass containers with lids. Now, these are not just any old glass boxes. They are made out of thermal resistant glass, and most importantly, they have lids that are leak proof. The genius about these small unassuming glass containers is that they are a one-stop solution for your kitchen. They work in the freezer, they work in the oven, in the fridge, as a packed lunchbox, or why not on a picnic. And when you discover the beautiful way that these containers are used, the fact that you don't need to transfer the food into anything else, it's all smooth from fridge to freezer to oven to the office to your friend's house or onto the dinner table, because I think they are pretty enough to use as serving dishes. The best part is that they're easy to find. You will find them in any larger supermarket that has a section of kitchen utensils. And they come in all different sizes, so if you're single or have a large family, you will find containers for every occasion and every purpose. If you don't have access to a good-sized supermarket, I put a link below. If you are having trouble finding them, just follow the link. The things, wherever you buy them from, the things to check off the list are thermal-resistant glass. Some call it heat-resistant or borosilicate glass. That means you can put them in the freezer as well as the oven. And also look out for a leak-proof lid so you can transport them easily if you want to. Now myself, I don't have any plastic Tupperware anymore. You know, the kind that one good bolognese sauce will ruin. I am sure every adult has a discolored plastic container that has fallen victim to a delicious curry or bolognese sauce hidden away in a cupboard somewhere. I don't even use any metallic single-use containers for that matter either. No, I love these containers, and the versatility is the secret that makes my life easier and healthier. They help me eat well, especially on the days I don't feel like cooking, and those are the days when I need good food the most. I particularly want to add that, surprisingly, these really help my mental health. I know that a good diet is key to mental wellness, but that is easier said than done, as anyone suffering from poor mental health will know that some days your diet can consist of a bag of Cheetos, even when you know you shouldn't. And let's face it, no one is a formidable cook every day of the year, and sometimes it's one of those days when you just can't be bothered. And when that day comes, it's good to have a system to fall back onto. So what I like to do is, on a day when I feel inspired to cook, and I think we all have one of those days from time to time, what I do is I cook double portions. The amount of time and effort spent is pretty much the same, so why not capitalize on your good energy for future gain? I love homemade lasagna or delicious bouillabaisse or cassoulet. It takes a couple of good hours to make. So when I make that commitment, it's nice to have an extra one tucked away for a rainy day. I cannot tell you what a relief it is when you can open your freezer and help yourself to a healthy, wholesome meal instead of a bag of junk food. And I can imagine this would be a dream freezer for a single parent or a high-powered career person, or why not? The ability to become a gracious host within a moment's notice. Anyhow, darling aspiring adults, this episode has come to its end. I hope you enjoyed the video and the tips. Thank you for tuning in. I would love to know if this helped you or what your tips for managing daily life are. If you like this video, please leave a comment or a like. And if you want to stay updated with the channel, click on the subscribe button. I hope you stay healthy and inspired. Until next time, fellow aspiring